Hello friends, welcome to Easy Shorts Learning channel. Today's video is about methods of redemption of preference shares. In this video, first we will understand what are the different methods company use to redeem their preference shares or repay to preference shareholders after 5 to 10 years, and what general entries company do at the time of redemption in each method along with examples. So there are 4 methods the company use to redeem their preference shares. First method is if the company has sufficient cash balance, then the company use free reserves or out of profits to redeem their preference shares, and the amount equal to nominal capital of preference share is transferred to a new reserve account which is known as capital redemption reserve account. So our first method is out of profits. Now if the company does not have sufficient cash balance, so the company issue equity shares, collect money from public, and that money is utilized in the redemption of preference shares. This method is out of fresh issue. And third method is if the company have some cash and some free reserves. In that case, the company use partly out of profits and partly out of fresh issue. And the last method is conversion method, where the company convert the preference share into equity share. Here no monetary transaction takes place, only the preference shares are converted into equity shares. So we take our first method, that is redemption of preference shares out of profits. First we have to see what is the nominal capital of preference shares the company has to redeem. Here the nominal capital of preference share is 10 lakh rupees. Now when we do redemption out of profits, the equivalent amount of nominal capital is transferred from the reserves to a new reserve account which is known as capital redemption reserve account. Here in out of profits we have general reserve in which 7 lakh rupees is there, and in surplus account we have 5 lakh rupees, and our nominal capital of preference share is 10 lakh. So we transfer 10 lakh from these reserves to CRR account. Now when we do general entries, so first we see we take 7 lakh from general reserve and the remaining 3 lakh from surplus account. So we adjust the whole amount of nominal capital through these reserves, and the 10 lakh rupees is transferred to CRR account. Now when we do general entries, first when company repay the liabilities to the preference shareholders, the liabilities of the company is reduced, and when they are reduced, the preference share capital account is debited, and the whole liability or the amount is transferred to a new account which is known as preference shareholders account. So our first entry, when the amount is transferred to preference shareholders account, our entry is 10% redeemable preference share capital account is debited, our liability is reduced, and this amount is transferred to preference shareholders account with rupees 10 lakh. Now the amount is transferred. Now we use out of profits entry or do out of profits entry where the amount is transferred from reserves to new reserve account, that is CRR account. So the reserves has credit balance. When the amount is transferred, they are debited. So we debit general reserve with 7 lakh, surplus account with 3 lakh, and the whole amount is transferred to CRR account. So to CRR account with 10 lakh rupees. Now we have done the adjustment. Now we redeem the preference shares, and in our first entry where the preference shareholders account is credited, when we repay the liability, this account is debited, and our entry is preference shareholders account debit to bank account with rupees 10 lakh. Our next method is redemption of preference shares out of fresh issue. Here the company does not have sufficient cash balance, so they issue equity shares, collect money from public, and this money is utilized in the redemption of preference shares. So here the nominal capital of preference share is 10 lakh. So we issue equity share also for rupees 10 lakh. So our first entry is always fixed, where we transfer the amount to preference shareholders account. So our entry is 10% preference share capital account debit to preference shareholders account with rupees 10 lakh. Now we issue equity shares, and when the equity shares are issued, the bank balance of the company is increased, and our entry is bank account debit to equity share capital account with rupees 10 lakh. Now we receive the total amount, that is 10 lakh. Now we redeem the preference shares, and our entry is preference shareholders account debit, the entry is same, to bank account with rupees 10 lakh. Our next method is when the company do redemption partly out of profits and partly out of free issue. sorry, free, partly out of fresh issue. Here the nominal capital of preference share is 10 lakh. Now in out of profits, we have only one reserve, that is general reserve, in which we have 3 lakh rupees. So we adjust this 3 lakh from the nominal capital. So the remaining amount is 7 lakh. Now we adjust the remaining amount out of fresh issue. But you have to remember this, that when we adjust out of fresh issue, then we divide the remaining amount with the face value of equity share, not the issued price of equity shares. So we divide with 10 rupees. So the company issues 70,000 equity shares at the rate of 10 each. So the company do redemption here out of profits and out of fresh issue. Now the sequence to do the general entries: first the amount is transferred to preference shareholders account, then the company do out of profits entry, then out of fresh issue, and the last entry is redemption of preference shares. So when the amount is transferred, our entry is 10% redeemable preference share capital account debit to preference shareholders account with rupees 10 lakh. Now the 3 lakh rupees is transferred from general reserve to CRR, and our entry is general reserve account debit to capital redemption reserve account with 3 lakh. Now we do the out of fresh issue entry where equity shares are issued, and our entry is bank account debit to equity share capital account with rupees 7 lakh. And lastly, the company redeem the preference shares and do the entry preference shareholders account debit to bank account with rupees 10 lakh. So this is how the company do at the time of partly out of profits and partly out of fresh issue. Our last method is conversion method, where company do not receive any money or pay any amount to preference shareholders. They are only preference shareholders are converted into equity shares. So here the nominal capital is 10 lakh. So the company issued 10 lakh equity shares to these preference shareholders, and first entry is always fixed when the amount is transferred to preference shareholders account. Our entry is 10% preference share capital account is debited, our liability is reduced, and this amount is transferred to preference shareholders account with rupees 10 lakh. Now when the company issue equity shares, then our entry is bank account debit to equity share capital account with rupees 10 lakh. But in place of bank account, here monetary transaction does not take place in case of conversion method. So in place of bank account, we use preference shareholders account, and our entry is preference shareholders account debit to equity share capital account. We issue equity share to the preference shareholders account, preference shares. Now when the preference shares are redeemed when the preference shares are redeemed at par, no premium adjustment is there. But if some extra amount is paid by the company along with nominal capital of preference shares, then this extra amount is known as premium on redemption of preference shares, and this premium is adjusted firstly out of profits, that is free reserves, and if no amount is remained in out of profits, then the company use out of security premium reserve account. Now when we adjust premium amount, then surplus account, if we take amount from surplus account, then surplus account is debited or general reserve account is debited, and if no amount is left in out of profits, then we use security premium reserve account, and the amount of premium is transferred to premium on redemption of preference shares. Now we take an example where we do all the general entries related with transfer amount to the preference shareholders. Then the sequence is out of profits, out of fresh issue, premium adjustment, and the last entry is redemption of preference shares. So here our example contains nominal capital of preference share, that is 10 lakh rupees. Here the general reserve, we have a general reserve of 3 lakh. In surplus account, we have a balance of 4 lakh rupees. Here the preference shares are redeemed at a premium of 10%. It means company pay 10% extra other than nominal capital. So the 10% of 10 lakh rupees is 1 lakh rupees. So our premium on redemption is 1 lakh. The first preference to adjust the premium amount is out of profits. So we adjust with surplus account. So we take 1 lakh from surplus account. We adjust the whole premium amount from surplus account, that is rupees 1 lakh. Now we adjust the nominal capital of preference shares. Now we adjust this amount either through out of profits or through out of fresh issue. So we adjust it out of profits. Here in general reserve we have 3 lakh. So we take 3 lakh from general reserve, and in surplus account we have already adjusted 1 lakh in premium on redemption. So the remaining amount in surplus account is 3 lakh. So we take whole amount, that is 3 lakh. So the remaining amount left is 4 lakh, which we can adjust through out of fresh issue or by issuing equity shares. Now when we adjust premium on redemption, redemption of preference shares out of fresh issue, we divide by face value. So we divide 4 lakh with 10 rupees. So the company issued 40,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. So we take out of profit 6 lakh rupees, and this 6 lakh is transferred to CRR account, and the remaining 4 lakh through issue of equity shares. Now we do general entries. First entry, where the amount of liability is transferred to preference shareholders account. Here preference share capital account debit to preference share capital account is debited with 10 lakh rupees. Now when the company pay premium to preference shareholders, it is our loss, and all the losses are debited. So we debit the premium on redemption of preference share with rupees 1 lakh, and the whole liability or the amount paid to the preference shareholders, that is 11 lakh, is transferred to preference shareholders account. So to preference shareholders account, that is 11 lakh rupees. Now the amount is transferred. Then the sequence is out of profits, out of fresh issue, premium adjustment, and lastly redemption of preference shares. Now when we adjust out of profits or do entries of out of profits, here we debit general reserve with 3 lakh rupees, surplus account with 3 lakh rupees, and the amount is transferred to CRR account, that is 6 lakh rupees. When we do the entry of out of fresh issue, here the company issue 4 lakh rupees equity shares, and our entry is bank account debit to equity share capital account with rupees 4 lakh. Now the premium on redemption of preference shares is adjusted through out of profits through surplus account. So here our entry is surplus account debit to premium on redemption of preference share with rupees 1 lakh, and our last entry is redeeming the preference shares or repay the amount to preference shareholders, and our entry is preference shareholders account debit to bank account with rupees 11 lakh. In our next video, we understand redemption of preference shares and how the general entries we do in and balance sheet we prepare after the redemption of preference shares. So friends, if you like this video, please share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.